Alright guys, I have to fix my settings for exporting the video due to the fact I found out that it is not put in the right format, so it's making it all weird and shitty. Excuse me. But I have a concern with this whole thing. I put too much here. There's dimples everywhere. So I'm going to wet sand and fix it. I have a wave right here. Like, it is nice, smooth feeling, and then there's dimples everywhere. And like down here, there's a little bit of overspray. But I started realizing a bunch of bumps, and it's because I was using the rest of the bottom of the bottle. Well, can. And like, this is a decent amount. Like, it had almost nothing. So I messed up, and there is small little dents like this right here, and there's like a small one right here. Besides that, this is a really decent fender now. I'm going to probably do I'm thinking about wet sanding 1,000 on it. I was like right here, I actually used to have a fingerprint through it in the primer where you get dug in. I had that thick primer, and I fixed it by wet sanding with, I think, 320, and then I went to 600, and I think I did some over 1,000. But I have to fix that. So that right there, I'm wet sanding, like I said, this over 1,000. So I might do a time-lapse video of me wet sanding if it lets me, because this thing does overheat. But yeah, it would have been all nice and neat if I didn't overspray too much. And yeah, so I have run, a little bit of run down here, it looked like, and then bubbles, because I was using the bottom of the rest of the, like, you can hear that compared to, there's a lot more in this, and you can feel the weight once you actually do it. But no, I messed up, and I can't see the screen, but you can just look down it throughout there and see all of the little bubbles that were in that paint at the bottom of the rattle can. So I'm going to wet sand her down and hopefully fix it. And this will be the nicest body part on the whole car. And I'm learning. So like, I'm going to take all the decals off and get my friend to print me out some. It's going to be black and gold for now, and then later on in life it will be the IROC blue. And yeah, I started taking decal off here on the bumper. The bumper is busted, it's cracked, scuffed. This needs fixed or replaced. I have to do this fender as well. This one ain't as bad as that one was. It was hit at some point and had a crack like right here and went up into the body line. So I was fixing that. On that, I need to I'm going to scuff paint this, probably scuff it up real good, fix the parts that do need fixed, and then yeah, just scuff it and paint over it. I'm not wanting to spend as much time as I did. Like, I'd spend like a month just on body work if I did what I did on this. So wet sand 1,000, and hopefully I fix it, and then I'll go lightly over the couple more coats and it will be fixed, because I can feel that. Like, if this did not do that, this would be the beautiful fender. Like, I fixed the body line in here. Like, it was really bad, but I can't do it before and after, sadly, because I didn't do that. But here we go. will have to do some body work still. If it looks good, I'm just hazing over it. I'm not even going to wet sand much anymore. But I'm just glad to know it had a V8 in it, so I know that it's, you know, usable. So I'm just going to stick it in, hopefully, and just start it up. That's all I'm going to do. I don't know what battery they had in this, but I'm assuming it's a side terminal. And it was, so I'm going to cut those, remake the grounds, well, the ground in the fucking change them over to the top post because I prefer that. Plus I have a battery sitting right there I can use. Yeah, so that's my update on this, which is, you're gonna see a previous saying thank you. I might just cut that part out on the other one, saying thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm going to fix my video, hopefully, from being this big squarey thing to a big, actually look proper, because I think I put it at the wrong screen size, and it made it like some weird resolution, so it messed up everything and looks funky. It looks like an old screen box TV thing. Yeah, sorry about that. But I gotta clean the interior now, and get that door working. That's all I'm really worried about right now. This is going to get stuck in soon. I ordered some parts to test fit it. I have to buy new cable in this as well, so we'll see then, but it's going to be nice. It's going to be nice, you know, to have a car finally. I've never owned a car until now. And I'm getting the title tomorrow and getting the alright guys, I'm making a quick video because 7% and it's low on memory. So, clear coat. Wet sand done. I made a video earlier. It was booty cheeks. I do not like how it turned out, so then I decided, you know, wipe this off, clear coat it. It looks good to me. So that's all I'm going to do is wipe off and clear coat. Besides a few parts that need body work, I'm speaking faster to the battery being low. I ordered parts. They're going to be here soon, hopefully. This used to have a V8 in it. I'm getting my title and hood tomorrow. And get this door functioning. And we'll rock with these tires for now, or these wheels for now. Yeah, get rid of the stickers, have it all black, leave the RS, might get my friend to do some vinyl for me to cut it out, just put, like, I don't know if I want to do RS, Camaro, what, I just want to, you know, have it done. This is going to be black and gold for a little bit until I decide to change it to the blue and then black decals, or gray, depending on how I feel. But so this fender's done for me. I'm done with it. I'm tired messing with it. So yeah. Well, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe, like the video, and share to get me out there. This is beginning to a long adventure I'm doing in this shop. Hopefully, if I don't move out into a different shop, which I kind of would like to do because I hate the office, but we'll see how things go. Thank you for watching.